Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to share your baby products brochure on WhatsApp when customer fills your website form, right? So let's see what is happening here. So you have received a new form submission in a form that has been created with the help of Elementor form application, and this form is attached in your website here, and in this website you're selling baby products, right? Now this is a kind of inquiry form, so the person who is interested in your products that you have listed on your website want to inquire more about your products and want more information that is not included in the website, so he have filled a form here which is created with the help of Elementor form. And when you receive an inquiry, you want to send the person who have inquired the complete brochure of your baby products on this WhatsApp account, right? Now we have used Elementor form building application to create this inquiry form, but in place of this form you can use any other form building application such as Google Forms, Typeforms or Pabbly Form Builder. And to send messages along with the brochure, we are using a very widely used instant messaging application which is WhatsApp, right? Now to send the brochures on the WhatsApp account who have inquired in your website, you have two ways. One is that when you receive an inquiry with the help of this form, you manually sort out the data of the person, the contact details of the person, and then manually compile the message for each and every person and then send the brochure on the WhatsApp account. But guys, if you're receiving hundreds of inquiries on daily basis, this process can be very tiresome and problematic for you. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when you receive an inquiry in this form, the brochure, the baby products brochure get automatically delivered as a new message on the WhatsApp account of the person who have inquired, right? Yes guys, this can happen, and this can be done by connecting these two applications. But the issue is there is no direct connection or link present between Elementor form application and WhatsApp. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between Elementor forms and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between Elementor forms and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is the website that we have created to sell the baby products. So you can see we have these little cute baby products for our little cute babies, and also we have attached a form here. Let me show you. So this is a form that we have attached which is made by Elementor forms to get inquiries from our customers. So suppose that any customer check our website and he likes this choo-choo toy, all right, and he wants to inquire more about all our products that we sell and the offers and the delivery service or whatever we sell on our website. So he want to inquire more about our products. So he's going to fill this form and click here on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So we'll send him the complete brochure on this WhatsApp account. All right, so it is a demo WhatsApp account. I am filling this inquiry form in the behalf of one of the customer, and we will see after clicking here on send brochure on my WhatsApp button if this WhatsApp account receives any message or not. So here I am going to fill this form for you. So the person who have filled the form is Mrs. 𝗪𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗏, and you want to inquire the products for her babies, and she's going to click here on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So she clicked here on send brochure on my WhatsApp and the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in this WhatsApp account if we received something or not. So you can see we have received a new message here. So let's open this and let me open the message, and it is saying, hello 𝗪𝗪𝗏 𝗪𝗪𝗏, thank you for showing your interest in baby corner store. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our baby store, right? So, and this is the link of the brochure we have. So let me open this also. So you can see in this link there is attached the brochure. So this is how it is going to work, right? So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual compilation of this message, just by filling an inquiry form here, right? So now let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Elementor form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our Elementor form to here in Pabbly Connect. After this, finally we'll send the brochure to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 dialog. Alright, so the person who have inquired and filled this form and the data of whom we gathered here in Pabbly Connect, to that person we are going to send the brochure on WhatsApp as a new message, and to do this we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So first of all, in your browser type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, put your cursor on this products icon and click on connect. So here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button, which I have already done. So I'm going to click on sign in directly. And this will bring you to this all apps section of Pabbly. From here, come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. After this, the dashboard of Pabbly Connect will open up, and to start working here you have to create workflows like this. So to create a workflow, you have to click here on this create workflow button like this, and here you have to enter a relevant names to your workflow. So I am giving the name as baby products brochure from Elementor form to WhatsApp. Right, now click on create here. So as and when your workflow get created, you will see these 2 things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission in Elementor form, and the action would be to send products brochure on WhatsApp. Alright, so now click here on this trigger option first, and from this choose app, choose your application as Elementor. So this is Elementor we have, and from this trigger event you have to select this new form submission. So this will generate a URL which is called as a webhook URL. So by using this URL, we are going to connect our Elementor form with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so you just have to copy this URL from here by clicking on copy, and then you have to go to your WordPress editor. So here you can see our page, and here you have to click on edit with Elementor. So after this, the editor will open up of Elementor, and from this page scroll down to the form that we have attached. So this is our form. Click on this form. When you click on this form, on this left hand side you will see this edit form option, and from here when you scroll down you will see this actions after submit option. So you have to click and you will find this add action field. So here you have to search for webhook, WEB. So this is webhook. Click on it. So below it this webhooks option will appear. Click on this webhooks option, and here in this webhook URL field you have to paste the copied webhook that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Alright, so paste it here, and then you have to click on this update button below down here. So you can see the page is updated, and now you have to click here. Let's see in Pabbly Connect first. So in Pabbly Connect you can see it is showing waiting for the webhook response. Alright, so this means it is time for our next step, which is to bring the data from Elementor forms to here in Pabbly Connect. So to do that, you have to open the form again. So I'm clicking here and I'm opening, clicking on view page. So I'm opening the page again, and here let us fill the form again to get the data to Pabbly Connect. Alright. So I'm filling the form again, and here I am going to enter the name as 𝗖𝙢𝗋, right, and the all other details. And here I am clicking on send brochure on my WhatsApp. So you can see the form was sent successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something. So you can see the data is captured here in Pabbly Connect, and the data is same 𝗖𝙢𝗋 and all the details, right, as we have filled in the form. Alright, so second step is also completed. Now let me show you the final step. So the final step is to send the brochure to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 dialog. Alright, so the details of the person we have gathered here in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to send the brochure of our baby products to the same person on the WhatsApp account, and to do this we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to. So now in Pabbly Connect, click here on this action window, and from this choose app, choose your application as 360, this WhatsApp by 360 dialog application. So now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Actually, to send messages on WhatsApp, you must have to have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. Alright, so 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly and easily, right? So after choosing this application, in this action event, select this send template message option, and then this connect button will appear. Click on it, and from this window, if you are making the connection with 360 dialog for the first time, you have to select this add new connection. After selecting this, these two fields will open up. First is the API key and the domain name. So from where you will find these two things? So you have to go to your 360 dialog account and move to WhatsApp account page, and you have to generate an API key. So let me bring you to my 360 dialog account here. So this is my 360 dialog account. So you can also have your own account like this, and to make one, I'll suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description, so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices. Alright, so now here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp accounts button page. And in this WhatsApp accounts page, you can see here we have this button called as generate API key. So by clicking here on generate API key, you can generate your own key. After that, copy that key and paste it here in this API key field, right? And while you generate the API key, you will also find a domain name which will look like this link. Alright, so most of the time the domain name looks like this only, so you can paste this here also, right? So after pasting these two things, you just have to click on save and your connection will be made. So this is one-time process only. To generate API key is one-time task. Once you get your API key, you can use the same key to make connections furthermore, right? So as I have already made a connection while before in a different workflow, and I have already generated a key, so I can use this choose existing connection option, and I'm clicking on save here. After this, you can see it started showing connected. That means we are connected with 360 dialog, right? After this, it is asking for the template. So what is this template? Let me bring you to my 360 dialog account again, and here I am clicking on this manage templates button. So these are the templates we have. So what are these? Let me open one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages that we want to send to anyone on the WhatsApp, right? So to avoid spamming, first you have to create the message templates here in 360 dialog, and then you can start using them. So to create a template, you have to click here on this add template button, and here you can enter the name of your template. You can select the categories they have according to the template, and you can select the language in which you want to send the message. You can select the template type like this, and in this body field you can write the main body of the message. And after filling all these things, you just have to click here on preview and submit. And after getting your template submitted, WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your template, right? So the standard time of approval of a template, they say, is 30 minutes to 48 hours, but in real time it takes only 1 or 2 hours to get your templates approved. After getting your templates approved, you can start using them to send messages on WhatsApp very easily. Alright. Now in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, I'll find a list of all the approved templates I have in my 360 dialog. So here I'm going to use this send brochure final template. So I'm clicking on it and mapping it. So after mapping your template, this namespace field get automatically filled up, and the language code also, because we have the templates in only one language, that is English. So EN is the code of English. And then it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the mobile number of the person who have inquired on our website. So you will find the details of the person here in this first step, in which we have gathered the data of the person who have inquired. So to map this detail here on this recipient mobile number option, you just have to click here and then click on Elementor option, and you will find the same data here also. So just map the mobile number from here only by clicking on it, and you have to enter the number in this format. So put a plus sign also before the number like this. After this, it is asking for these body fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these body fields? Let me show you in my 360 dialog. And I'm opening the template that we are using, which is this. And here you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in double curly braces. So these are the body fields we have in the message, and these are nothing but the variables of the message we have. As you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the person who have inquired. So with every inquiry, the name of the person is going to change, and it is saying thank you for showing your interest in dash or in body field. So so here we are going to put the name of the product, which can change, right? And so just like this, all other things are also variables, which is going to change with every new message. So to get these body fields automatically filled with every new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect, right? So let's fill them. So in body field 1, I'm going to map the name of the person who have inquired like this. In body field 2, let's see, thank you for showing your interest in. So if the inquiry is about any particular product, you can enter the name of the product. Or if it is a general inquiry, you can manually enter the name of your store, as I am doing, Baby Corner Store, right? After this, is it asking for a product? So let's say I am entering baby products only. And here it is asking for, let's see in this template, link. So here we are going to paste the link of the brochure we have. So I have this brochure here in my drive. This is my brochure. So here I am going to click on this icon and click on share, and I will generate a shareable link. So you can see it is saying get link, and I am going to click on copy link, and I am going to paste this link here. And in this body field 5th, let us see. Okay, so here you can enter the address of the website page. So this is my website. I'm copying the address and I'm entering here. in this fifth field. And in this body field 6, I'm going to put the name according to the template. After regards, we are going to put the name of the company, which is Baby Corner. Right? Now, after getting all these things filled according to the need of the template, when I click here on Save and Send Test Request, this data will get delivered to the WhatsApp account as a new message. So let me click here on Save and Send Test Request. So you can see it started showing this type of response, and we have received a new message also. Let's check. So the new message is this, and the message is saying, "Hello 𝘲𝙤𝙬, thank you for showing interest in Baby Corner store." And you can see in the place of body fields, the data that we have mapped here get automatically filled, right? 𝘲𝙤𝙬, Baby Corner store, right? So, and also we got the link here, and yeah, the message is complete according to the template. So our connection is working fine and properly. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected the application as Elementor, and with the help of this URL, webhook URL, we connected the page and bring the data from our form here. After this, we connected 360 Dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp. We selected the template, then mapped the details according to the template, and when I click on Save and Send Test Request, the connection is working fine. Now just click on Save here. And let me tell you one more important thing, that is, you can make this workflow run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description box so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.